pulling a trailer today, so I don't know how fast I can go through this construction zone while catching up to yet another CSO going over 70 miles an hour through a 45-mile-an-hour construction zone. Made a internal affairs complaint about the last one, and of course JSO has not responded because they don't give a shit until one of these officers hurt somebody. Got a pretty good straightaway right now, so I might be able to catch up. Speed limit has increased from 45 to 60 at this point. Fortunately, it's morning rush hour traffic, so I can't be too unsafe. Yet nobody will pass them, so it's starting to back up a little. I wish I recorded that. Swerved into the middle lane. No turn signal, of course. Community Service Officer car 2638. License tag X-ray Golf 6853, I believe. And of course, again, notice me. I'll be making another complaint about him, and let's see what happens, because I'm done. See y'all later.